71% of sales reps spend more time on admin work than actually selling. Think about that for a second. What if AI could just do all of that for you? No manual updates, no missed follow-ups. Today, I'm going to show you how AI CRM in 2026 is helping SMBs save 3 hours every single day. Let's look at where time actually goes in a typical sales day. Researching prospects, writing follow-ups, copy-pasting notes across platforms, all of this adds up, and it leaves only 1/3 of the day for what reps are actually paid to do. In an 8-hour workday, only 29% of time is spent on actual selling. So, what do companies do? They add more tools, CRM systems, outreach platforms, AI copilot, prospecting tools. The goal is to reduce admin work, but in reality, you're not eliminating it, you're just adding another layer of complexity. You're trading one form of administrative overhead for another. Here's the truth, deals don't happen inside dashboards, they happen inside your inbox. Emails, replies, conversations, that's where real selling happens. So the solution should live there too. This is where things change. With agentic AI, this isn't just assistance, this is AI that takes action. It can route leads instantly, execute follow-ups, escalate deals risk automatically. And let's take a real example. You receive an email from a prospect. The AI extracts the context, updates the CRM automatically, drafts a perfectly formatted response, all without any manual data entry and zero manual effort. The most powerful concept here is zero UI. You don't need to open dashboards anymore. Everything happens automatically. Deal status updates, next steps suggested, proposals tracked, risk assessed, even meeting preparation is done for you. So the system works, so you don't have to. Across different workflows, CRM logging automated, pipeline updates automated, cold outreach AI personalized, all repetitive work handled in the background. Let's compare. Traditional CRM, cluttered dashboards, time-consuming setup, constant context switching, low adoption. Agentic AI, inbox native, zero setup, no switching, works out of the box. Simple role, less interface means more productivity. Let's do the math. 3 hours saved per day into 250 working hours day. 750 hours saved per year. That's 31 full days, nearly one extra employee worth of time. This is where it gets powerful. Less admin, more selling. Better follow-ups, faster deals. Consistent outreach, higher revenue. And every action becomes data, which continuously improves performance. If you want to take back your time and focus on what actually drives revenue, it's time to upgrade your CRM. Start your free trial at HelloGrowthCRM.com. Your first AI sales agent is already waiting. Thank you.